All right, today's a big day. I'm gonna be taking the Volvo to a mechanic this evening, a specialist up in Salt Lake City, and the plan is gonna be to try to get the air conditioning fixed. So right now the AC is out. I believe it is still R12. It's not R134A. I have considered swapping it to R134, but right now the hose that goes from the refrigerant canister to the compressor is missing. So I need that. And the previous owner had said that the compressor was failed or seized or something like that. So I'll either need a new compressor or a rebuilt compressor. However, I've still got a belt on the compressor right now and it's turning just fine, so I don't know if that is any indication as to whether or not the compressor is good. So I'm going to take it to the specialist and I'm going to see if he can get me a new hose, repair the compressor, and then recharge with R12, because I'm confident this is not R134A yet. If it's simple for him to convert it to R134A, I'll have him do that. But if not, just R12, rebuild the compressor and the new hose, and that should be everything under the hood. Now, as far as inside of the car goes, right now the AC button, it does send an electrical signal so that the compressor, I believe, does kick on, but it makes a horrible sound, so I leave it off. The heater blower motor, well, when I'm driving, it makes these horrible grinding and squeaking sounds, so I might have him replace that. And then the heater control valve. It is currently stuck probably about 75% on heat, 75 or 80% on heat. So I've still got a little bit more heat that I could squeak out of it, and it does not swap over to cold, no matter how long I run the car. So it's always blowing about 75% heat. So I will have him fix that as well. This is an exciting day. It should take a little bit of time to be completed, but I'm okay with that. And I'm taking this to the mechanic because I don't have much experience or knowledge about air conditioning, and frankly it just doesn't interest me to learn it. If I were going to do any project with that, I'd maybe try an R134A conversion. That kind of interests me, but the rest of it really doesn't. And I'm not very interested in tearing out the dashboard on this car. As many of you know, it's quite a beast to get in there and get it all back and buttoned up nicely. So I'll probably have him replace some bulbs and everything while he's in there. I've considered the heater core, depending on how bad it is, but we'll see, and I will keep you updated.